Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can manage and edit labels for your issues or work items in your Jira site and project. So let us dive right into it. Alright guys, so using labels like this one here, for example, may help you organize your issues and work items more efficiently. And yeah, label them with, for example, labels such as this one here for a better overview, guys. So this is how you can create these labels, manage and edit them. It is actually very simple. So head over to your Jira site and expand the project list and select a project, or alternately click into more projects here, view all projects, and select one of your ongoing projects here. Let me go with this one here. And after that, select your work item or issue. Like for example, let us go with this one here. And here to the right inside your work item or issue details and customization, you will see that panel here, details, with the assignee, with labels, the due date, and so on and so forth. You will be given the opportunity to assign labels. Now, usually on default, there won't be any labels assigned to the given task or work item, but you can create them or assign them easily by clicking into this field. And below you'll see a list of all recently created labels. But if you don't see your label here, guys, you may simply type in the first letter of the given label and simply click into the given label. Or if you'd like to create a completely new label, guys, all you will need to do is click into this empty space or field here and type in your new label name, like, I don't know, let's say ABC or something like that. Press enter. And yeah, that is going to create a new label. So from now on, guys, this label will be available for you. So for example, if I close that issue here, you'll see these labels have been assigned. And if I head over to this label here, I will be given the opportunity to assign all these labels, even those I just created, by clicking into it. And that's how it works, guys. That's how you edit, manage, and create labels on Jira. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.